few decades. Now the technology like AI, open AI, and robotics. So all these things are coming, and this is a natural, normal fear in the common man's mind, that how and what is the change that is coming up, how we are going to adapt. So I think the most prevalent thing we need to understand is that we all are based out of society, and the humans. The most consistent thing is the change which actually comes in. And rather than getting fear about the change, we should actually be embracing the change. We should be coping up and learning and having a positive mindset towards the change which comes in. That's the only way and the best way forward to deal with any kind of a change in a normal, whatever scenarios that we a normal human being. So now we talk about the technological change, especially the AIs and all. So I think it is going to impact in a big way.